window cleaner to spray on. Gets this yuck off really easy. I've already done this whole bottom the other day. And today I've gotten here and under there into there. Taking my time. It's very cool out today, so I figured this would be a perfect day. I'm waiting on my roommate to come. He's going to get that screwed stuff in the bedroom floor up. That little hook. Let me show you. The stroke affected my right leg too. Sometimes it doesn't want to move. I have to push it along. This is what I need up. I can't do it. And then these will get nailed down. So. And a bed over there that I gotta get out. I'm gonna ask him to help me do that. But anyway, this is the progress today. I took that strip off right there. What else have I done? Oh, a friend told me to take Vaseline, put on these rusted places. So I got most of them off. This is my stove. This all cleaned up. So anyway, it's my cabinets and my floor. I haven't cut the little piece for that little thing there. But anyway, see you later. Bye.